Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start on the service's verification page and enter your phone number carefully. Choose SMS or voice call delivery based on your current signal and preference. Confirm country code and remove extra zeros or spaces before submitting the form. Wait 90 seconds before requesting another code to avoid rate limits. If you prefer voice, expect an automated call that reads a 4 to 6-digit code. Keep your phone unlocked and notifications enabled so the message arrives visibly. Do not share this code with anyone and treat it like a password. If SMS fails, switch to voice delivery and answer the incoming call. Check your signal bars and try moving outdoors for better reception. Verify your carrier is not blocking short codes or automated messages. Look in your spam or filtered folder if your messaging app supports it. Restart the phone and toggle airplane mode to force network reattach quickly. Try the service on a different phone number if you legitimately control it. Use an authenticator app as a backup for continuous access and security. Contact the service support if codes never arrive after multiple attempts. Provide your account email, last 4 phone digits, and recent transaction times. Attach a clear photo ID only when the service explicitly requests identity verification. Expect a response within 24 to 72 hours depending on their workload. Enable 2-factor authentication using an authenticator app to avoid future SMS issues. Do not provide verification codes to support staff or anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.